Welcome to No Shame Human Body, the blood flow through the heart. Now, just a quick reminder that the heart here is right in the middle of your body, right here. It's tucked inside, kind of underneath your lungs here. It's in the middle there, under this big bone called the sternum, and it's tucked in there nicely protected. So let's start talking. The heart has four chambers, and the blood flows through those four chambers. Okay? Now, this is the left side of the body, and this is the right side, because we're looking down on the body. So, I do not have a blue marker, so we're going to use green. Now, unoxygenated blood comes in to the right side of the heart. This is from the bottom of your body. This is from the top of your body. And these are called the inferior and superior vena cava. They go into this right atrium of your heart. It's going to go through a little valve here called the tricuspid valve. And then it's going to flow right here into the right ventricle. Now, this is a big pumper, and here's where it gets a little bit confusing. This unoxygenated blood is going to flow, okay? It's going to flow into your lungs. Now, you know your lungs aren't down here, okay? But for the drawing purposes, I'm going to put them down here. It gets all this oxygen from your lungs, all right? Now, once it's oxygenated, it goes back into your heart, right here in the top, okay? It's red because it has oxygen in it. This is your left atrium, okay? It's going to go through another valve here. Sometimes this is called your mitral valve or your bicuspid valve, and it's going into the left ventricle. Now, this is the big pumper. Your heart is actually tipped a little bit this way, and this one pumps the hardest, and since it's tipped this way a little bit, it feels like it's on your left-hand side, but it's actually in the middle. Now, this left ventricle is going to have the job of pumping all of your blood out to your body. So it starts here, and it goes all the way over here, okay, from this big artery. Arteries leave your heart. Veins go towards your heart. So this is the aorta. You guys have probably heard of the aorta. That goes to the rest of your body. And there's some little pieces from your aorta that come off and actually feed parts, okay, of your heart. It's because your heart is a muscle and it needs blood too. So a lot of times, if someone's going to have a heart attack, one of these little ones is the one that causes the problems. And it's typically this one here that leads to this big pumper, the left ventricle. Okay, so when this gets blocked, then there's no blood coming to this left ventricle. That's a problem. That means it's not going to pump the blood all the way to your body like it's supposed to. So that's a heart attack or a myocardial infarction. Back pain, shortness of breath, chest pain, arm pain, jaw pain, neck and shoulder pain, nausea or lightheadedness, signs of a heart attack, okay? This thing beats 100,000 times a day, 2,000 gallons of blood a day it pumps. We have 8 pints of blood in our body. So if you want to stay healthy, keep your heart healthy.